Good afternoon. My name is Alina Shaltsova. I'm an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Legally Speaking video, right before the holidays, I would like to share with you wonderful news that just happened a couple days ago. That is passage of the most generous immigration amnesty for the last couple of decades for Liberians. This amnesty states that those nationals of Liberia who were residing in the United States since November 20th, 2014 are eligible to apply for green cards if they do so within a year. And it doesn't matter how they came to the United States legally or illegally between the points of entry. They're not subject to public charge and admissibility grounds. They're not subject to labor certification requirements and almost all other grounds that are commonly preventing people from adjusting their status. Basically, they can file for themselves, including their spouses, children, and unmarried sons and daughters, which is very important, meaning those who are over 21, as long as they continuously resided in the United States from the date I mentioned. Continuously meaning that even if they left the United States for short periods of time, it's not a problem as long as those dates in aggregate are less than 180 days. They will not be able to apply for this relief or will not be able to use it if they have certain criminal convictions, including convictions for aggravated felony, for example. But most of them should be able to get their legal status. And this is a wonderful news. The funny part that this immigration reform sort of amnesty was adopted as a part of the National Defense spending bill. But that's how things sometimes have to be done between different parties to agree on different issues, and they squeezed this provision into the defense spending bill. So this is an awesome gift for nationals of Liberia, and I hope they will use it, and many of them will be able to help themselves and their family members to get legal status in the United States. Of course, I wish that happened for others, especially for TPS holders, because if it was able to be done for Liberians, why can it not be done for others, like people from El Salvador, Honduras, and things like that? But for whatever reason, so far, we haven't seen this change. And another important part of the passed bill is the confirmation and basically codification in law of ability to grant and receive parole in place for military family members. The only thing that I did not like about that provision in the bill is that it seems to limit availability for members of current members, family members of current members of United States Armed Forces, not for the veterans, for example. But we will see how it's going to be interpreted. Well, parole in place, as we all know, has been used for a while and granted for a while, but recently there were talks about eliminating it, especially eliminating it for military family members, and everybody was nervous, and we saw a surge in denials of parole in place. But hopefully with this provision, it will be clear to everyone that it should be used. It's an important thing for those who are serving in our military, and I hope that with that, all the disputes about its availability or necessity or how important it is will be closed once and for all. So this is wonderful, great news coming right before holidays, and you can read more about them on our website www.shaltsova.com, and I wish everybody to have peaceful, healthy, fun, joyful holidays, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.